the channel. It's been a couple of weeks, probably 3 weeks actually, since the last trip. I think was the last time I was actually stood in front of the camera. It's been a bit busy, so I've sort of stepped away from sharing stuff on YouTube and focused really just on work. Work has been absolutely manic. But this week, it's exciting, we've got new stuff coming, and we've got a trip this weekend. So I thought I'd start today. Today is Wednesday. And today is new rooftop tent arrival day from Direct 4x4. So quite excited about that. I'll be doing, basically this video is going to be unboxing the roof tent, hopefully fitting it. It is due to rain today, but we'll see how the weather goes. And I'm going to show you around the 80 and show you some new stuff that I've fitted pretty much over the last two weeks, 3 weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen some of it. I've been trying to share a little bit more on there. I just haven't had time to get in front of a camera. So today, exciting rooftop tent. This weekend, we're heading to the Lake District with Bug Out North Wales and a couple of other guys, the Stewart's clan. I'll post a link down below to their Instagram. So I'll be videoing that as well. But for today, let's just be a little bit excited, just a tiny little bit, about having a new rooftop tent. This isn't my first ever rooftop tent. I've had them in the past. We sold it fairly quick. It was the old fold-out one like that. And then the ladder drops down off the side of the truck, and that sort of supports the bit that hangs off. And we were a bit unsure. So we used it for a little while. It was noisy, it was cold. Didn't really like the idea of hanging off the side of the car. So this one is a new one that's only just been released. It is a clamshell, so similar to the front runner, it will open up like this. Whole thing sits on the rack. I can't wait to get in it and use it. So once it arrives later today, we'll pretty much just roll the Sino and do an unboxing and a fitting. Stay tuned. Okay, so some cool little features inside is this new CB, which is the Midlands M5. It's actually all done obviously from this, and it's hidden through that little hole. Now that little hole was already there, so it sort of made sense just to use it. And the actual box for the CB is hidden in the dash. And then I've put this on, well, a bit weirdly really, but I got rid of the old SIG socket and put in 2 USBs, just because I don't really have anything that plugs into a SIG socket anymore. This is the next thing to change in here, which is going to be a screen. I want a reverse camera on the back and things like that. So that's pretty much the update from inside so far. One thing I haven't shared with you is we've got a new awning. It is a 2 metre by 2 metre pull-out, obviously just mounted to the Direct 4x4 roof rack. And I've started to wrap the 80 series. It all began pretty much with the roof. The roof was pretty scratched and pretty battered, and I wanted just to try and keep it as best as I could. I've used Raptor before, you'll have seen it in the Jeep. I even Raptored part of the Defender before that had to go. But yeah, I quite like it. It gives quite a nice finish. I do need to take this little, this little aerial thing out. But overall, pretty happy. So the whole truck will pretty much be going Raptor eventually, which is quite exciting. Lots of exciting stuff. Right, I'm off to work. So when the roof rack arrives, I will bring you back. Orange stuff. I like this.
I do like that. It's a nice touch, that, isn't it?
Driver.
Leave it there, you got an awning as well. It's not gonna fit. Piston problems.
Really? Yeah. Oh no.
Just don't know.